Imagine you were car shopping. You saw an ad for the Ford Transitioner. It's a brand new SUV or truck or compact or van. You would be pretty confused and you would assume that that vehicle isn't ready. That's how employers feel about candidates that don't know what kind of employee they want to be.
We've seen a lot of people that spend months applying for jobs by just leaving all their options open. They apply to sales, marketing, project management, product management, and customer success without understanding the difference.
We get it. It can be overwhelming when you're looking at job descriptions and you don't understand everything that's there. The tech industry is probably worse than doctors for the amount of jargon that we use. In this course, we'll help you decode some of that terminology so that you can be well prepared to understand exactly what it is that you're applying for.
I'm Michi Pezeshki, and I've worked in tech for more than a decade. I've worked at companies from very early stages like Clio, up to larger companies like Double Dutch and Radius, and to public companies like Exo Group. I've worked cross-functionally from first hires to complex teams across every function of a tech company. I'm a career coach and an experienced instructor.
I'm Annie Dean. I was a career transitioner myself with over a decade in retail leadership before I finally found my way into the tech industry as a project coordinator. I went on to lead global customer learning operations for LinkedIn, helped launch degrees for Coursera, and I've worked as an executive at a number of early stage startups, leading teams from customer success and operations to sales, marketing, and product.
So who creates the content? Who creates the video, the how-to video? Is that something that customer success does, or how does that pipeline up and then get distributed out?
Yeah, so in a small company, in a smaller startup, CSM's wearing all the hats, they're doing all the things. As you're getting larger, that's typically where they'll break off and have a customer education department that has folks that are more experts in creating and editing videos, instructional designers that understand how people learn and how to communicate better, and they'll split this off to separate functions.
Yeah, okay, that's this silo here is if this is bigger than that, customer education exists. So we pipeline it to customer education and then something is created. Okay, cool. Thanks.
And it's a good career path, right? If you find you really love the training component, but you don't love the sales component, you're not a great negotiator, it makes you uncomfortable. This is a great career path to be able to take to really double down if you love the training part of customer success lifecycle.